So do I not have a garage? Yes. Am I gonna leave it inside my house? Yes. Do I care? No. Oh no! Number plate, manual, stickers. Yozma In10 from Mudguard. Fanny pack, sort of backpack actually. Display, 48-volt battery. Charger, nice bright light. Not satisfying. Got the Yozma outside. I'm in mode 3. I just popped it in the full mode. Damn, guys, this thing is nice. I love this bike so far. It says it goes 40 miles an hour. I don't really believe that. We're gonna test that later in the video, see if that's actually true. I don't think it goes 40. I think it goes around 35, which I've seen in other videos. This thing goes about 35, but it's all good. This is plenty of enough speed. I don't know if I can do wheelies. Oh, it definitely can do a wheelie. But right now I'm a little bit scared because I still gotta bed in the brakes and I want to crash this brand new bike, man. Yo, Max, you want to try it? All right, here you go, Max. Yeah, that's a throttle. Hey, yo, Maximo fits it pretty well, though. Look at him bipping. Why is he tucked down so much? It wheelies! The balance point is so nice. Oh my god, I love this bike already, guys. This is my new main bike. Way better than the Tutio, I think. The Tutio is like hard to wheelie. So the front plate that comes with the Yozma, I don't really like how it looks that much, so I went ahead and slapped on an extra ODI plate that I had just laying around. I think it looks so good with the ODI plate. Guys, this bike looks so sick. Like I'm telling you, the ETM RTR looks really good too. And that one looks like a little mini Stark Varg. But this bike, it's like its own thing, bro, with the red and the perfect combination of colors, guys. They absolutely killed this. We're out here with Sloaney right here. We got Reed, we got my homie Christian. We're about to do a race. This bike is at 100% right now. Test out which bike is the fastest bike. Wow. All right, line them up, line them up, line them up. All right, yo, we got the Yozma In10 ETM RTR with the 6.7 kit, a triple X, and a Super 73. What Super?
73.
3, 2, 1. Got me real fast, bro. This bike is not a 72 volt. That thing's 72 volt, so obviously I got gas. Trying to learn how to wheelie on these things. I took this bike out to the Santa Monica Pier the night I first got it. This thing lasted so long, bro. I deadass went over 25 miles. Definitely gonna do a range test and see how many miles this bike can actually last. I believe it lasts like at least 30 miles, maybe 35 miles if you're easy on it, 50 miles if you're really easy on it. Pushing it hard, I'm pretty sure this thing lasts at least 30 miles, which is really good for the Yozma In10. I'm not sure the range on the Tutio. Guys, I already bought a Supermoto for the back, just one street tire for the back wheel, so then I can do wheelies a lot easier.
This is a valley ride out. What the fuck?
What? Crew method! That's right! Show me a burnout.
Burnout.
Burnout. That was fire! I think these kids are taking us to the jumps, bro. I'm trying to hit some jumps on this Yozma. Oh my god, so nice not having the e-box dragster, dude. This thing bips, guys. This thing's got the torque to go up almost anything. Finally, some off-road on the Yozma, exactly where it belongs. I am not a jumper, so don't make fun of me. These are gonna be like some of the first jumps I've ever hit in so long. Oh, that wasn't that bad if I do say so myself.
We good, stop, chill, we on, scale, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Dude, this thing's a trail machine. Look at that. It's taking those whoops.
Yeah, I don't do that.
This bike looks so good on camera. Like, it's actually crazy how nice this bike looks. Just as good as the ETM RTR. Comparing these bike sizes right here, they're pretty much the same size, but she does have the Supermoto wheel, so that's why it's a little bit smaller. But these bikes are like pretty much the same size. It's crazy.
Put like any mods on this thing?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna put hard driver controller so it goes faster.
Those things are like cheap though, right?
Yeah, it's like 20 bucks. You can make it go hella fast. I'm sure a lot of guys say like a whole bunch of kids ride e-bikes, so it's kind of sketchy going out on ride outs with all these kids because they don't really know what the hell they're doing. Yo, is that your shoe?
Yo,
A ton of these kids don't really know what they're doing, so it's like a little bit sketchy to go out on these rides with them. But like, bro, to be honest, these kids are learning pretty well. Like, yeah, of course they're young and they're trying to like get the hang of not get hurt and just ride safely. It's definitely a really valuable skill to learn when you're young. Is that the Strike? Yo, these bikes look so similar, right?
Yeah.
It's super similar. It does have more of a dirt bike look, huh? It's way more powerful. 72 volt, right?
Yeah.
But look how similar it is. It's got this, it's got the same display, same brakes, different light.
No, I picked this one off.
The wheels are definitely bigger.
Oh, is this like the mini version?
Yeah, pretty much. The Yozma's like a smaller version of the Strike. What? Okay, watch him. Watch him. Your shoes untied.
Thank you. Hey, what's the range on it?
Oh, this thing like 30, 35 miles. Black triple X, pretty. Hey, we're gonna honk that and shit. We got all the homies outside, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. We got the Super 73 and the blue XXX, guys. This bike looks really cool, bro. Sloan, when are you gonna make your next YouTube video?
Today, it's dropping today.
It's dropping today?
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. It's not the cap. Fuck you, bro. You ain't got no wheelies. Ebikes Dragster is like my main bike that I usually always ride, and it's just suffer, man. I can't even ride that without just blowing my back out.
What?
You kids know how to drive cars or what?
Yeah.
It's a protective left. So you're not supposed to go left, you're supposed to wait.
My license in a month.
Nice. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man.
to take the elevator.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. We inside the Target. Nah, we're fine. You can fit.
I literally
Turn your back wheel, bro.
Just a little more.
Hey, you're good. Hey! Imagine still being 16. You go out first. Imagine not even having your car. Damn, guys, I'm looking for a bike. Yo! Yozma In10? Only 245 bucks, bro? No way, dude. Yo, I'm gonna have to make the move on this, bro. I'm gonna have to make the move on this. This is my bike, bro. This is my bike. Hey, no, I'm gonna pay for it. I'm gonna pay for it.
No, you can't take it. No.
I'm gonna pay for it, okay? Calm down. Calm down.
Stop.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bro. Just give me a second. Hey, yo, okay. We out of here with this thing, bro. Can you just not do that for 1 second? I'm out of here. I'm taking this. I guess it's my bike now. Let's go. Triple X. Sexy Yozma.
Click it again.
I'm just touching my Yozma. Why are you bothering me, bro? Can I have it? Trade?
$1.
Trade?
Move your clapped ass bike.
Thank you so much for being cool about this, ma'am.
Yeah, no, I get it, guys. They are stolen a lot.
Yeah.
As long as you're respectful of the other people in the store, we're cool.
Absolutely. Yo, we got the Target bike right here.
Yozma
In10 Target. $245, bro. I did not know it was that cheap, bro. That's crazy, isn't it? Show me a wheelie, come on. Buns. Yo, okay, let's go into the mall, see if we can get kicked out.
Want to get kicked out?
Alright, so the turning radius on this bike is not the best. I'm starting to realize this. Pretty similar to a Talaria XXX. The turning radius on the ETM RTR goes all the way over there, guys. You see how far it goes? It goes all the way over there. It's a lot better turning radius than this bike. Stops right there. Yeah. But hey, guys, for 1,400 bucks, like, bro, I wouldn't even be complaining about the damn turning radius. I can't even express how grateful I am to be sponsored by Yozma, bro. I wanted to get sponsored by these guys, and so I sent them a message like a month or two ago, and they never replied. But then like a month or two later, they actually got back to me, and they're like, yo, we're trying to work with you. And I'm like, hell yeah, let's do it. Manifestation, guys. I'm telling y'all, I've been wanting an electric dirt bike, a mini electric dirt bike, because I've had the ebikes Dragster for like a year. And I was riding on a bike with 0 suspension. I finally got an electric dirt bike that has suspension. You already know me. I love my mini e-bikes. I love taking it because it's so easy to just throw inside the car. So easy, so lightweight, just flick around. And guys, you can't take yourself seriously on these things. It's nothing but just fun. Just riding around cruising is a good time. Finally got one, bro. Manifestation, I'm telling you. You want something, you say you want it a million times, you're gonna get it, bro. All right, guys, we found a little stair set. Yo, I'm gonna die. Why is this scary?
Got that, bro.
I got it?
You don't get shit straight, you don't straight.
Yo, I'm about to try out this 6-7 kit, guys. I've never tried out the 6-7 kit. I'm trying to see. Oh. Ah! Battery's almost dead. It's at 50%, but. Oh my God! Electro and coke kit hauls ass. Done bipping around with the homies on the Yozma In10. This bike is at 2 bars still, so it's got really good range. So I'm definitely gonna do an off-road video on this. I'm gonna do a range test video on this. I'm gonna do the far driver controller. I already got it. It literally came in the mail today. See exactly how fast this bike can really go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Yozma In10. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.